how to make cold brew coffee in your fridge overnight, just as rich as getting it from a coffee house, and so crazy easy. So take 1.5 cups of your favorite American Serenade coffee and grind it coarsely, like you would for a French press. Put it in one of our filter bags, and you're going to tie a string around it. And all that's going to do is just keep the filter bag closed. Put it in 6 cups of filtered cold water. Just set it in there. It doesn't have to drop down. And you're going to put the lid on it, and you're going to put it in your fridge right before you go to bed. It's going to infuse overnight. Take it out of the fridge in the morning when you wake up. Take this out, toss it, the whole thing. Put your lid back on. Make sure you have ice in your cup because it's going to be really concentrated, so you do want to dilute it. But remember, it's fresh out of the fridge, so it's cold. Pour it in. You can add cream if you want, and you're all set with your cold brew. Take it to go.